Okay, so first thing we're going to do, make the end pointy. So bringing it down to a point. Okay. I am working it from the side, but I'm making sure not to make it any thinner. So hopefully you can see it's maintaining its thickness. And I'm getting that nice curve on the top. So tidy it up. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the notch in. The notch is going to go somewhere there. And do that by hitting it over the far corner of the anvil. So nice and hot. Over the far corner. You see, pushing that corner in, hopefully. Do I get it too hot? Oh yeah, it's hot. What I'm going to do, I'm going to straighten this all out, so I'm just going to drop my hand. Okay, so I've got my neck in. Now you can see my knife looks like it's backwards compared to the one I showed you. Yeah, but it's not. What I'm going to do is I'm going to thin out this side, and that's going to push this metal longer so it pulls back and we get a nice straight back. So this is what metal looks like when it is too hot. What I'm going to do from near this edge, hopefully you could see that as I pushed it round and made it knife-like. So just nice and carefully working that edge. And looking good. So now I'm going to thin out the bit behind the knife. Hammer one of my cameras apparently. So I'm going to cut this off there, I think. So you can see, cut it almost all the way off. What this lets me do, grab it in some tongs, break it up. Okay, nice and hot. Draw it out. So I'm going to make it pointy at the end first. drawing it out now. So I can just draw it out by hitting it on the square sides, but what I'm going to do to make it go faster is I'm actually going to work on this corner. So I'm going to adjust the camera a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit it in on notches. I'm also going to do that 90 degrees. And you can see hopefully that's going to make it much longer, much quicker. So currently it is right around 17 centimetres, just shy of 7 inches. We're at 17. Let's see. Okay, so that's one heat. And let's see what we got to. I reckon we are at about 21 centimetres, just over 8 inches. So one heat gained 4 centimetres, inch and a half. See, we're getting nice and long. So I have effectively doubled it in length, probably slightly more. And it is all square in cross section, so I'm going to round it out. I'm going to turn it 45 degrees. I've taken that section from square to octagon. Focus. Yeah. So hopefully you can see. Broken some of those corners. I haven't done the very end. I'm going to do it up by the blade next. So a nice octagon all the way up to the blade. Okay, so now that I've got it all octagonal, I'm going to take it from octagon to 16 sides, but doing the same thing, just hitting all of the corners. Let me see, there you can, helpful. Every time I hit a corner, I get a new flat face, basically. And then I'm going to hit this corner, and give me an approximation of a curve. Hopefully you can see the difference. It's looking fairly round up there. Bring it down here, still see some nice big flat spots. Happy enough at that. So next I'm going to do a scroll, and it's going to be here. So nice and gentle. So hopefully see that? I think so. Loop. Nope. Nice and hot. Push that into that corner. Gonna give it a good quench, and vertically, vertical line through. Nice. You can see, nice thin edge. It's not sharp yet, straight off the forge. But hopefully you can see the edge is much thinner than the back.